Butch Cassidy, also known as Robert Leroy Parker, was an American train and bank robber and the leader of a gang of outlaws known as the Wild Bunch in the Old West. Butch Cassidy participated in criminal activity for more than a decade, between the late 1800s and the early 1900s. Being followed by law enforcement officials made him flee the United States. He fled with an accomplice known as the Sundance Kid. Butch Cassidy and the Wild Bunch were known for train robberies. On June 2nd, 1899, the Wild Bunch robbed a Union Pacific Overland Flyer passenger train near Wilcox, Wyoming. This resulted in a massive manhunt. Many officers took part in the manhunt but did not find them. A detective from the Pinkerton National Detective Agency, Charlie Siringo, was then assigned the task of capturing the outlaws. During the Union Pacific Railroad robbery, the gang used dynamite to explode two safes and stole more than $50,000. It is believed Cassidy shared the loot. On July 11th, 1899, a Colorado and Southern Railroad train was robbed near Folsom, New Mexico. Cassidy might have planned and personally directed this robbery. A sheriff was killed during the robbery. The Wild Bunch typically separated following a robbery and fled in different directions throughout the United States. They later reunited at a predetermined location, such as a brothel,